It's Sunny Beach Life and we're out for the night again. It's May and Susan gets some dancing in a club here, and then we go and show you some live music, give an example of what the bands are in Sunny Beach that you can enjoy on your holiday. Have a great night. And then we introduce you to some of the folk you might meet while you're here. A Dobber Den.
Dobber Den, everybody.
Saturday night, the last Saturday in May. On Monday, everything opens, 1st of June.
Yeah.
So we're coming down for a quick beer on Flower Street.
And I don't know how we're going to cope because we've been out so much in the last 2 weeks.
Yeah, then we're going to go and watch a bit of live music, a live band. We'll go and sit and have a beer first.
Yeah, and then maybe go watch a band for a while.
If in doubt in Sunny Beach, go and have a beer.
It
gets better then.
Yeah.
And we're now sat in the corner bar having just a small beer to start the evening off. There you go, a small beer.
Got to pace ourselves.
The waiter was really good because he's just said, you do realise the offer beer isn't on now. And we said, it's finished at 6. And we said, yes, we know, that's full price.
Yeah, so that's good that he informed us that if we was expecting the offer beer, it's finished.
We did say in the last video, if you see an offer on a board outside, ask for that when you go in, because otherwise you'll get the standard beer at the normal price. It's very important. I want that offer when you walk in. That's all. Simple.
Yeah, but you've got to mind what time that offer's on till. Today it's 6 o'clock and now what is it? 8:30, so we've missed the offer.
I'm going home and coming back tomorrow now, so I had to pay full price.
Oh, well.
That's ruined my entire evening.
He doesn't like to spend money, does he?
I don't. Anyway, we're having half an hour in here that we're going to watch a band for an hour or two and then go to the nightclub.
Oh, yeah. Oh, exciting.
Yeah, it's real fun out here tonight, but it is a bit chilly. It is weird. A couple of nights ago we were out, it's really warm, but tonight, should have put a long sleeve shirt on. It is still early season. I mean, it's June next week, temperatures are really starting to rise then. I've just completed this really nice entrance to the corner bar here. Wow, it looks really nice and bright on Flower Street. The bar itself looks really, really good. And of course you've got the pirate lady here, one of the famous characters on the strip. And most importantly, if you're enjoying this video, Nitishni Butona, hit that like button. It really helps us here with the algorithm, gets the video shown to more people.
I don't get to know. He was counted. In this fucking great place, Maestro, with my whisker in a jar as well. 1, 2, go. Okay. All right, cocktails. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, good to see you. Yeah, alles klar? Wunderbar. And whiskey time. The answer is all the time. Whiskey time, all the time. Whiskey time, all the time. Whiskey time, whiskey time. Let's go. Oh yeah. Time of year, you can find it here. special song for you. One, two, three, go.
The band is absolutely brilliant. We first saw them 9 years ago and they still don't disappoint.
It's so weird because the guy there in the band, his son went and sang with him there. It's an amazing moment because we remember when the little school kid used to come and have a pizza while his dad was playing, was doing this, and he'd sit there and have pizza in the corner of the bar. And now he's up there with him and he's taller than his dad.
Oh yeah,
So we've been here so long, he's grown from that height to that height. It's amazing.
It seems like we've been here for years.
Yeah, so anyway, I've had that. Great fun in there. We're going to head on now, have some more fun, because Sunny Beach doesn't end till the early hours of the morning.
It's all coming alive now. I've said it before, I said it in the last video. It's all coming alive now, everybody.
Yeah, we're going to make most of it.
Oh yeah. Come on.
Yeah, let's move on.
Well, sorry everybody if this is a bit repetitive, but we're back on Flower Street. Central's going strong, the bounce is going strong, the sounds, the music, the smells. Oh, it's absolutely amazing. If you want a good holiday, fun, entertainment, you must come to Sunny Beach. It's absolutely brilliant. Are you having a good time?
Gee!
Oh, I'm in heaven now.
Where are you from?
The UK, but we live here.
You are a beautiful woman.
Oh, yeah. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Come for us.
Oh, you are so handsome.
Come for us.
See you later. Where are you?
They've obviously got the girl dancing on the podium here in a cowboy, well, half a cowboy outfit. She's very good, she's very fit, and obviously the young lads are stopping in the street to have a look, and I don't blame them.
Right, we're just going into the disco now, see what it's all about. Hello, where's it going?
Stop, drop, roll, bodies on the floor. I'm out of control, it's about to blow. This year ain't for show, never kept it on the low. Always been so high key, yeah, I know.
Well, we've walked to the jetty now, and Viking Beach Bar is really going for it. There's loads of people in there having good fun. I think I might just do a bit of dancing here. We've had a great evening as usual.
Well, the thing with Flower Street and Sunny Beach is, if you like karaoke, it's over there at Central. It's in here at the arena. It's everywhere. There's karaoke. Personally, I can't stand karaoke. I don't know why, I just don't like karaoke. Susan loves karaoke.
That's because he can't sing.
Susan's daughter is an amazing singer with a guitar, loves karaoke. Me, I'd rather sit there and have a beer in the corner. But anyway, loads of karaoke, wherever you go. You can't avoid it in Sunny Beach. We just did a video and I was at the Glarus Karaoke Bar and they had some really good singers. Ashley, you all know him, Sunny Beach Transfers. Ashley was quite good. And we were in Central as well filming there. One girl was very, very good. But of course you have to balance the one against the ones who aren't so good. But then they're having fun. They've had a few drinks. Does it really matter? Not really, they're on holiday. Nobody's filming them. Well, I might, sometimes. But they're not being filmed. Let them just have fun, enjoy the evening.
Well, we're hoping the next time we film, we might be having a drink in Spiders. They've got the sign up, they're getting ready, so this will soon be open in another day or so. come and enjoy a drink at Spiders. Brilliant people, Albina and Psycho. Absolutely brilliant bar. Oh.
I get some light. That's better. I've got light on your faces then. That's better.
Well, we left Flower Street there and we've called round at Demo's on our way back to the apartment at the Crossroads. If you're coming to our meet and greets, you're going to see Demo.
Yeah, you're gonna see my face.
Yeah.
Probably I'm gonna offer you a drink because drink is a drink.
Well, we have had people saying to us that you don't know how to measure drinks.
I measure it in the right way because your alcoholic hydration have to be with you all the time.
Oh, yeah.
Especially on holidays.
Yeah. So if you're here, come to the Crossroads, come and see Demo, or even come to our meet and greets on a Tuesday.
I will make sure.
Bring your brain with you if you've been watching the videos, because we do a quiz on our films.
Yeah, yeah. Oh,
All right.
brilliant. Brilliant. Oh, brilliant.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that's good.
What do you want to drink?
Oh, we'll have 2 big beers because I've been dancing, so I'm a bit thirsty now.
Okay, don't worry about it. Coming.
Where are you? Have you got a place here? Are you on holiday?
Yeah, Camellia.
Oh, Camellia. Oh, right. Oh. You know. Oh, wow. For you people who's come to our meet and greet, and you've known the trouble we've had previously with the microphone, Demo's bought me a new one. Hold it up, Demo. Hang on. Hold it up. Hold it up.
It's got fancy lights on. It's got to be good.
Well, this is amazing. We're at the Crossroads, and who do we meet? Stuart. Obviously, Demo, because he...
Yeah, somebody else have to work here.
Craig, you know Craig, and Stuart's lovely niece, Leona.
Naomi.
Naomi. Oh, we're all squiffy. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. You can come and have a great time in Sunny Beach. Come to Crossroads for that last tipple of the night. You will not be disappointed. Everybody, follow me. You will not be disappointed.
You won't be disappointed. Come and crossroads for a night out.
Ciao, ciao, everybody.
Can you all do a ciao ciao now?
Don't worry about it. I'm gonna get there. Bye-bye. All right, that's fine.
Well, folks, it's nearly 4 a.m. now, so we're going to make it home to bed. That lot are ordering a takeaway. Craig and Stuart, they're having takeaway burgers now.
Can you believe how our night out has developed into this? Oh, it's amazing.
A morning out, so hopefully going to go to bed in the morning now
No, not the
and
morning.
get up about 10 o'clock, get a few hours sleep. So anyway, ciao ciao for now.
Ciao, ciao, everybody.
See you again later.
See you soon at the Crossroads pub. It's brilliant.
Yeah, Susan had a couple of little beers tonight, can you tell?
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm stone sober, so we're going home. So ciao ciao for now. See you again later.
Bye.
Well, then there are a lot of entertainment in Sunny Beach for all ages, from the nightclubs for the youngsters and the dancing, through to the karaoke, the tribute acts, the late night bars. It never ends in Sunny Beach, virtually never ends. So please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and don't miss any of our videos in the 2026 summer season.